So in this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Seller Central account. So I will literally go through every step while creating this Seller Central account. Hi, my name is Sammy. Make sure to follow this YouTube channel because I share tips and tricks related to selling on Amazon FBA. So let's jump to my computer so that I can show you step by step while I create the Seller Central account in front of you.
So for creating a seller account, you have to first log into your Amazon shopping app. Now after you have opened your Amazon shopping app, what you have to do is you have to just navigate to your header section and click on this sale button. So let me first tell you a few things that you have to keep in handy before creating your Seller Central account. So first you need a PAN card. Now PAN card may be your business PAN card or your own PAN card if you are trying to open the account on sole proprietorship. And the next thing that you need is a business name. So the business name will be your the name that is provided in the GST certificate. And then you also need a GST number and also a savings account number. You can also use a current account if you have it. And then what you need is a mobile number and an email ID. So let's begin the process. Click here, start selling. So this is the first page that will appear here. So please have the following ready before you begin: your bank account details for receiving payments from Amazon. Now you can submit both savings account number or current account number, or you can also use savings account number now and use current account later and provide current account later if you doesn't have a current account right now. And then you need a GST number and a PAN number. So let's start. Then click seller agreement and then continue. You will write your business name here, the name in which you have registered your GST. Then you have to provide an email ID here. Now, so you have to now provide a store name. Now store name is completely different from your business name, and it appears to the customer. Like as you can see here, below your title, it will appear below your title. So for my case, for my store name, I use my brand name here. And suppose you are selling multiple brands, then you can use your store name as you like. Now select product category. For now you can choose any category here. I always like to sell on home and kitchen. Then after selecting the category, you have to provide your address here. Now you can give your legal address here in which your GST is registered. This doesn't matter that much right here. So you have to give one store name that is not taken. So let's add something like this. So this is available. It says that your pin code is not eligible for easy ship. So right now it is showing that it is not eligible because Amazon has stopped its operation, but I had shipped through EasyShip from this address. And while you provide the address, and when you will provide your address, you will also can see if your pin code is eligible for EasyShip or not. So I will suggest trying after this lockdown period stops and Amazon starts their operation. Then you can see if your pin code is eligible for EasyShip or not. So we will hit next. Though this doesn't matter as we will use FBA only. Give your phone number here. So now here you have to provide your business details. So you will provide your GST number here. So you will provide your GST number here, and this is selected at West Bengal because in the first page we have provided our address. So you will provide your GST number and your PAN number. So you will provide your own PAN number if you are doing in sole proprietorship, or you will provide your business PAN number if you are doing any private limited or anything like that. So for now I will update later. So it is not applicable for us as we have barcode. We will be applying barcode and buying barcodes. So here set shipping fee if you want to charge your customer. So as we will do FBA, so it is not needed to check any of this, but we will check this offer free shipping. As we will do FBA, so it will eventually turn to free shipping. Then you have to add bank details here. Select account type and then verify your IFSC and save. Then a tick mark will appear like this, and here you will add your tax details, your PAN card and GST number, and same after providing it will also appear green check. And for this default product tax code, so basically it is the GST slab, and you have to know in which GST slab your product falls in. So it may happen that you sell multiple products, and some product may have 5% GST and some may have 18%. So for now we will do standard. It is, so you can see for standard it is showing 18%. So if your product is 18%, you will select standard, and this same thing will come when you will create a listing and add a product. So you can change there also, and you will do save. Now signature. So what you have to do is you have to just take a paper, sign on the paper using a pen, then click a picture and upload that picture here. So where this signature will go is, you may have seen when you purchase something from Amazon, then Amazon sends an invoice with the product, and in that invoice, almost down to the page, there is something written as seller's name and seller's signature. So there this signature is uploaded. So do launch your business. So these things are not added. So we can only launch this. We press this button after completing everything. So we can obviously come back to this page after when we have all things ready, like the GST number and PAN number. So let's go to the dashboard here. Now you can update all this in these settings, in the account info. So this is the dashboard, and so let me tell you a few things that you have to know about this dashboard. In this tab, it says how many orders are pending for you to ship. Now this will show only when you use easy ship or self ship. Otherwise nothing will appear here for FBA. And this section here, it says how many sales you have done in one day, today, in 7 days and past 30 days. And in this tab you can access your cases, like customer support tickets that you have raised. So how to raise a support ticket? You can click on this get support, and then your ticket will be raised, and after raising that ticket you can see the status here. And this is a tab which is added recently, and you can see all the updates here about Amazon. And this is also one important part of your listing, of your dashboard. So this is an important part in the dashboard, and you have to check this part always and make sure nothing is wrong with your products. So these all things comes under this account health. So you have to make sure your performance doesn't go under their target percentage, and if it goes under that target percentage that Amazon set for you, then your account can get suspended. Here also, order defect rate, you have to keep the order defect rate under 1%. And this is the part where you can see your balance, like how much payment you will get from Amazon and how much it is deposited through the sales. And there is not anything much more here. Let me show you how you can update your account details. So from here you can provide all the details here, like bank account information, business address, and everything here. The things that we haven't updated during setting the Seller Central account. So that is all, and if you guys have any confusions while creating your account, then you can just comment below and I will make sure I will answer your query there.
So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video and loved the content that I shared in this video. Thank you for watching.